song of garden of green Batanes, lots of white lilies growing on the hills, scents of sweet carnation, Easter flowers bloom. Now won't you that this is just a place for you and me? Sing the song of mountain forest, forest dear Mount Uriah, the finest one to climb up above. The flowers there, what a lovely view. Tanaw guminting, tutanaw hidukay dauran, sumno sarahan may dinyo, harapi-rapitin duka daw naman ninyo. Nakaya po doon ang kabuyaku, di mo ganyan ka. Ang magsipasok do, tawul kwa manda si Chamurya. Harapa mo matarang kachat daw pagkukuray mo. As panapanayahon ko na, ubang snumata, luya kapachingay. Nangay ko na taluliyak mo, akmayong nukula. As nabukmam, akmay humawan. As nagtawal mo, akmay asero. As panapanayahan ko na, ubang snumata, luya kapachingay. Mangay ka na, nandito mo nang tumilit. Noong dibong diyan, nagtulo kasuyod, tayo damasta, o kanakulukudi mo. Nangay ko na taluliyak mo, ang mayong nukula. As nagtawag mo, at may buhawan. As nagtawag mo, at may asero. As panapanayak ko na, upang sumata.
Dapat ito ka sa harap ka, ganun ka, I'm the king of the world!
Sabay na kalula.
Pasok!
Severe and strong, still with verdant hills and green fields. Here stands the great Mount Uriah, where peace loving people stay. Here in Batanes, we wish happy days to all. Joy and contentment, you shall enjoy them, dear friends. So on this day, never forget, dear Batanes. We welcome you always. We hope to see you again. We welcome you always. We hope to see you again.